guys, welcome to Finstock BizTalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses. And today we're going to be talking about the plumbing course. And if you're interested in learning about plumbing course, listen to these questions that have been people have been asking me. I'll be answering some of the questions, questions that you have been asking me. And one of the questions I have been getting is how long does the plumbing course take? So you find that if you want to do a short course at Finstock University College, it will take you 1 to 4 months. If you want to do a certificate, it will take you 8 months. And if you want to do a diploma, it will take you 12 months. And then how much does it cost for a plumbing course in Kenya? So you find that for short courses, they range from 10,000, but 6,000 to 10,000. But we have our basics in plumbing, which is just 3,000. And 2,000 is for certification, 1,000 for registration. For certificate, diplomas, the prices, they do vary, and you can check the prices at Finstock University website. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can even call 0703-313-722 and speak to the customer care agent, and she will be able to explain that to you. And then another question is, what are the subjects that we learn in plumbing? So you find that in the curriculum, one of the things we learn is things like theories of plumbing. You learn things like soil waste and vents layout, household and industrial maintenance. We'll learn about sewage systems, and the use of hand and power tools. So those are some of the things we learn in the plumbing course. And then where can I learn a diploma in plumbing? You can learn this at Finstock University College. We have said it's an online college that offers short courses, diploma, certificate at a very affordable rate. And so you can just visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com and you'll get to check the course. And then someone is asking, is plumbing a good course? Yes, it is. As long as homes and other buildings are using piping to move water and gases, you find that plumbers, they are a necessary profession, a very necessary profession. So this guarantees that it's always typical for different industries to become for you to, as a plumber, to get a job. And then someone is asking, what is the most common job for a plumber? So if you're thinking about becoming a plumber, some of the things that you will be called to repair include things like bathroom sink, clogged bathtub, clogged shower, clogged toilet, sinks, drains, floor drains, commercial drains, and many other places. So you need to have an understanding on how to work on these areas. And then someone is asking, what qualification do you need to do a plumbing course? So if you're interested in doing a plumbing course at Finstock University College, if you want to do a certificate, you need to have a B-. If you want to do a diploma, you need to have a C- at Finstock University College. And we have said that all these courses, they are done online. And then so those are some of the questions that you have been asking me regarding plumbing courses. And if you're interested in learning more about plumbing courses, you can do this at Finstock University College. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can call their customer care agent at 0703-313-722, or even send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.